Hi, Small. How you feeling today, my friend? Why are you so upset? She's always upset about something. She's always upset about something. Why are you so small? What going on? This nice girl. Look at this little kitty. She's a very good kitty cat. And she likes to hiss and she likes to scratch. What's this, your little paw? Boop. Boop. Sweet. Big kitty. Sorry. I had to sneeze. Sorry about that. Oh, I'm sorry. I gotta sneeze again. Shit. I ruined everything. I'm sorry about that. Hi, the big girl. Hi, the big baby cheeseburger. Look at these little paws. She's got nice paws. She's a very soft girl, huh? Yes, she's very good kitty cat. Look at that face. Let me see.
Oh, I'm gonna sneeze again. I'll try to hold it in.
Hi, small baby cheeseburgers. How do you feel today, my friend? How do you feeling? Oh, she's so happy. Where's Dunkelfriend? Where's the Dunkelblau? Let's go try to find that Dunkelblau. Where's that Dunkelblau? Where's Dunkelfriend? There he is. Dunkelblau, good morning. Good morning, Dunkelfriend. Dunkelblau. Hi. Hi, friend. What you up to today, my friendly friend? What a handsome man. Hi, the friend. Just a big old kitty cat, huh? Yeah, he's a very nice kitten. Meow. For real, my friend, he's got a nice butt. He's got a nice face. Hi, friend. Whoop. Whoop. Whoa, that was shocking. Hi, friend. Hi, friendly friend. Just a big kitty. Meow. No. Just a friendly friends. Okay, don't go friend. Okay, my friend. Oh, what a handsome cat. Terry. Oh.